Alright, it's a pocket dump here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a booty zippo. That's a nice booty. And then we got the Milwaukee flashlight. It's got a magnet at the butt and a hat clip. Ooey ooey. And then we got the Victorinox tanker. That is a new favorite right there. Can't believe I never had those as a kid. And then we got just some generic Walmart file. Very useful sometimes. And the Klein electrician's scissors. Those are literally the best scissors I've ever used in my life. There's just no comparison. It literally does it all. That's why I don't have a Swiss Army knife with scissors. And my favorite M&F'er, the Buck 113. Ooh, it's a beauty right there. Like and subscribe, y'all.